Hey guys, welcome back. This is Khushali #happiness. I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video, I'm going to recreate Instagram picture of Pooja Banerjee. Yes guys, I'm gonna recreate the look of famous Indian actress Pooja Banerjee. So don't waste the time, let's quickly get into the video and show you how I create the look. So guys, I have already applied the moisturizer, and for my lips, I'm going to be using the TS Natural Shea Butter Lip Balm. Now, I'm starting with this beautiful Kiss Beauty primer. I'm going to be using it on my face and neck. Next, I am gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of 310 Sun Beige. I am going to apply it on my face or neck. So guys, I am using this mini beauty blender to blend this. You can use anything that you have like foundation brush or flat top brush. So guys, now to contour my face, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Matte Crown Stick. It's look like a crayon and works like a crayon. So apply it and blend it. And now, to conceal my face, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade of 310 Sun Beige. This is my favorite concealer guys, it doesn't crease on me. Apply it your under eye and the bridge of your nose. To set this concealer, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. You can use any loose powder or compact powder. Guys, you can see I have used very light and minimal base for the look. So now let's start with the eye makeup. For my eyes, I decided to use a highlighter and bronzer palette. Guys, just make sure you blend it softly and take your time, it should look well diffused. I am using this flat shades brush from Nykaa. You just have to dab this shade on your eyes, no need to paint guys. You just have to blend this shade on the outer corner of your eyes. Just blend it well. And now I'm gonna use this spoolie brush to tame the hair of my brows. And to make my brows more beautiful, I am using this Miniso eyebrow kit. So guys, now I am going to highlight my inner corners and brow bones. And now it's time to my cheeks. I'm using this pink shade for my blush. Now I'm going to highlight the high points of my face by using this blissful highlighter. Next, I am going to applying a coat of mascara. I am using this Swiss Beauty mascara, guys. To tightline just my upper waterline, I am using this Lakme Kajal in black. For my lips, I am using this Elidine lipstick in the shade of fuchsia pink. Now I am using this Flawless Make Lip Gloss to make my lips glossy. And here is my completed look, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Thank you.